First, open the Pocketful app. On the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now, go to the Reports section and click on it. This will open the Reports page, where you can download all your trading reports. In the P&L Statement section, you can check your stock P&L report and download it either quarterly or by selecting a custom date range based on your preference. The same applies to the F&O P&L section, where you can download reports quarterly or for any specific time frame. Similarly, in the Commodity P&L and Tax P&L sections, you can choose a date range and download your reports easily. All these reports will be sent directly to your registered email. Next, in the Tradebook section, you can access Stock Tradebook, F&O Tradebook, Commodity Tradebook. In each of these, you can again select quarterly reports or a custom date range to download your data. Moving on to the other section, you'll find Ledger Report, Contract Notes, Equity Holding Statement, Mutual Fund Holding Statement, DP Charge Report. Just like before, you can download all of these by selecting either a quarterly period or a custom time frame. It's that simple to access all your reports in one place. Download the Pocketful app and start trading smarter today.